What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. And today, what we got planned, man, is just different stuff, miscellaneous day. But right now, it's in the morning, time to drop Wifey car off. I know y'all saw her video by now saying she about to get the car painted. So y'all already know who painted the car. We've been saying it from the beginning. It was just time. I hit bro up. I was like, hey, how you looking? It's net. He like, hey man, I'm ready to go. Sending the money, boom boom, we ready. So yeah, man, we about to Don't Panic Customs. That's who about to put the wet on Wifey car, man. Don't Panic Customs. Like I said, the information on the screen right now. So hey, if you don't wanna see how it come out, just watch how this car about to look, man. My guy about to transform this car. He about to transform this money, Carlo. Y'all just wait and see how Wifey coming. I told people everything I've been saying basically been happening. Everything I said, we doing it right in line. I like Wifey car gonna come together quick. We just got the car back home last week or a week and a half ago. Already cashed out on the paint job. Don't Panic about to wet it up. So she about to get that done. She got new parts in, which I said she gonna have to do videos on that. We've been working. It been a lot shaking that ain't been shown behind the scene, but now we let people know. But Wifey about to be wet. The whole fleet gonna be clean. Well, I might go ahead and get Meats wet. I don't know. The Camaro might go ahead and get wet. We might just be boom, boom, boom. Y'all start seeing them disappear one at a time. Y'all know what's going on. Don't Panic wetting up everything. Don't Panic Customs. So I'm about to get this thing moved. Get everything moved. And the Cutlass, I'm probably gonna shoot something in the Cutlass today too anyway. So y'all just stay tuned. Hey, while getting the car covers off everything, I want to show y'all how good it is. Y'all see the water just sitting there, right? Telling people they waterproof. Water does not go through the junk, just sits right there. Car be dry as all out there. Cause it just made me think about it. Car was just sitting right here in a puddle on the Cutlass. Telling you them some good car covers. They some good car covers. Y'all know. Look at Meats one done faded. That's the oldest one I got. But I'm telling you, them things right. Them things is right. So the link be in the description of every video. Every single video. On either vlog channel, the link is in the description cause so many people always ask me about them. They good covers though, man. Go ahead and get you one. People be talking about the garage and this and that. Hey man, I don't have to. It's just a car at the end of the day. Very end of the day, it's just a car. But yeah, nah, they some good covers. They protect the paint too, cause they UV. They UV resistant. Cause y'all know that sun do a number on the paint. They UV resistant too, so it's just like it's in a garage, basically. Minus the temperature. But unless you got a climate control garage, that ain't gonna do too tough either. Cause I mean, I got insulated garage though. When I had the garage door chain, I got it insulated. It still don't really make a difference. It's cold outside, about to be cold in that garage. And vice versa, if it's hot in the garage, you know. So, you know, that for people that necessarily don't have a garage as an option, you can get them car covers. So, let's get this cold started. See, I love having. Then, like I tell y'all, man, they're about to get poured. The concrete about to get poured, man. I done cast down everything, but it's time to make some stuff shake. We got the garage coming, not the garage. The driveway about to be wider. trees coming down. I'm gonna show y'all all that if y'all want to see it. Drop 4 packs. Come 1, 2, 3. It's cold. It's colder today. There you go. You don't have to pack this much. Everybody talking about EFI, man. I don't want to EFI everything. I got an EFI car. I don't want to do that. Thing running already. When your carburetor tuned right, you don't have to sit there and keep patting it. I don't know what people be talking about. Let that warm up, back it out the way, put it behind the put it behind the nollie. Then we're gonna get Wifey car out. All right, y'all. So we got Wifey car moved back. Man, I can't wait till he fix this, boy. I can't wait till he take care of that, boy. You have to slam that though. All that, and he finna fix that. Man, he about to go in. But what he's about to do now, the car will be coming back home cause he's going to Lawless to get fine-tuned. He about to go ahead and knock this quarter out cause this really the most work on this car. The rest of this car solid. My guy Brady already had been looked at it. Car solid. It's just that quarter cause that's where it had the accident. And then the front clip when she first got it, man, it was tore up. Like it was smashed. We had to find the front clip. Had bought it from my cousin Quay. So car been fixed a long time now. I mean, as far as repair, cause it was wrecked a long time. Y'all know it's V6 car, one owner. Y'all know the story. She gave you a story on her channel behind this car, sentimental value. She only the second owner. So you have to look at her stuff, you'll know where it came from and all that. But it about to get a transformation. Interior and everything. Just get a good look at it. Get a good look at it. Especially the headline, boy. Look like Freddy Krueger got to hold that headline, boy. Ooh. Wifey gonna be clean now. I told you, hey, when we get started, she got a brand new engine. Brand new engine. Might not look like it. It's new though. New engine. She riding good. Finna change all that. The brake booster, master cylinder, all this stuff getting changed. Brand new AC components. The whole 9. AC gonna work. But what I'm about to do, cause the radiator just sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and put this piece on here. Y'all see it bolt right there. Luckily I left the 2 bolts from the V6. So I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this down. We're gonna take it off and paint it later. So I'm gonna get that bolted down. Then we're gonna top it off, put some more antifreeze in here. And shoot, she'd be good to go. Car crank up on the dime, but I can't wait. I can't wait, man. Y'all look at it, man. It ain't gonna be no more 2 colors. She gonna ride good. The tires new, but man, we're gonna have to get something there. Cause when she get painted, man, everything stands out. You got fresh paint, everything stands out. So y'all gonna see this car. This car finna be very different. All I can say, from wheels to everything, gonna be very different. So let me sit y'all down and let's get this thing on right quick. Let's see. Down on with me. Down on. Hey, my boy. I be having these new views, man. My guy tell y'all a story behind it. Said, man, I used to work at Walmart distribution center. And the older cat, name was Albert, man. My boy Albert, man. That man, boy, he stayed, boy. He kept me tripping. Man, that man used to ride up and down the dock, boy. I be tuned in. He ain't even know it, boy. I'm like, I don't know what that man's saying. But he be on that PE. And if you worked in a warehouse, you know what I'm talking about. You already know what a PE is. Forklift, basically. Man, he be on that forklift jamming, boy. Down on with me. Down on. And as I said many vlogs, I don't know what he was saying. I don't know what the song is. I don't know what he was saying. None of this stuff. But it was jamming though. Cause man, I ain't shoot. When I worked there, man, I worked there from 2006 to 2012. So shoot, there been some boy. And it's still stuck in my head. I feel like every time I turn the wrench, I gotta do it. Even when I'm off camera, man, I randomly, boy, I gotta bust it out, boy. I had the kids be singing, going in. Yeah, she in there now. Get in there, yeah, yeah. Hey, man, I really could Man, here go two of the bolts. I was trying to wonder what bolts this thing use. Man, I really could go ahead and put that fan shroud on them, really. Cause the bolts down here, let me see. Let me see. Now I ain't got no clips. Oh, hold on. See, when I do stuff, I go ahead, when I take a bolt loose, I put the bolt right back where I got it. That's the easiest way to keep up with them. Just put them right back where you got them. You won't lose them. Tighten this down some more. We're gonna paint this thing up. Paint this P. Really need to retouch the engine bay, which all that stuff gonna get it's gonna get addressed. I ain't got them clips. That's gonna be a problem. Or maybe on the fan shroud. Hold on. See. Maybe they not on the fan shroud. Oh, see if the other ones got it. Well, I see what I gotta get now. Gotta get the retaining clips. But that bad boy gonna drop down in there like that. Gonna put us dead in the game. Alright, y'all, we just dropped the car off. Look, y'all, look, we drive. We finally in the truck. Y'all, we talking about the truck all the time. Wifey drive right now. We finally in the truck, y'all. We're in the F-150. Y'all always saying, man, you don't never drive the truck. It's dark. But we in the truck. I had to put that clip in there, so I'm gonna catch y'all and get to the house. Alright, y'all, we back. We back from dropping the car off. Wifey about to move the cutlass. I'm about to work out. About to move the car back right there. I'm about to get that workout in right quick. Get that workout in right quick. Then holler at y'all about her car a little bit. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. So y'all see, we got Wifey car dropped off, man. It said don't panic customs. About to get that work in. The plan is he about to do the quarter panel first, and then I supposed to be able to go get it back, and I'm gonna take it to Jesse right quick to get fine-tuned. So when we get it back from Lawless Street Cars, Wifey car will be all the way crispy. He's just doing the check over, make sure everything basically. So when we get it back from Lawless, everything will just be yin, boom. Man, go to California if you want to. But she about to be clean. All I can say. That Monte Carlo is gonna be tough. Everything gonna be pressure. His and her. Y'all see I got cuts out. His and her G-bodies. That's what's going down. His and her. So yeah, man. Little video just keep y'all in the loop along the way with every single thing that's going on. We just gotta finish up the little knick-knack stuff on Wifey car and all of that. Get her going, then it's gonna be good to go. And yeah, man, the fleet almost back whole. You know, we just missing one now. We just missing one Dolo. Can't wait to get that car back, boy. I can't wait. Boy. I can't wait to get in that car. Can't wait, boy. I'm talking about get that bottle press down. It going down. It going down, man, on the radios and them 26s. Boy, I tell you what. I know what I gotta get. I got to buy a progressive controller. I got to have that for them rims. I got to have it on the slick, on the radius I'm at. It don't matter. I can let it eat. I'm just 100%. But I'm gonna get me a progressive controller. We're gonna get that hooked up. Cause I'm gonna need it on them 6s. Cause I'm gonna run a number on them 6s. Watch, I'm gonna run a number now. I'm a little dog in the big rim world. Cause I ain't no race car. A lot of them cars race car. I ain't no race car. I can still drive my pump gas engine. But it's not your ordinary pump gas engine. That's all I can say. But that bad boy gonna ride on them 6s now. I'm telling you, I'm gonna run a number on them 6s, and then they gonna show another run a number on the radius. Keep in mind that car gonna be right in line behind Mr. Jones right here. Mr. Jones is flying. I ain't gonna cap. Mr. Jones is flying, and I ain't even showed the full potential. But we gonna see. We gonna see, man. We gonna see. Then Meats, I'm gonna bring Meats back next month too. Meats, I already made my mind up and buy an engine. I'm bringing Meats back next month. Meats gonna have oil pressure. Remember what I said? Everything I say now, make it happen. Meats will have oil pressure next month. I'm buying the engine. Or if it don't, toward the end of next month, I'm gonna get it in there. I ain't gonna say that, cause I know I got some stuff shaking at the beginning of the month. But toward the end of next month, Meat's gonna have an engine sitting in it. They're gonna have an engine sitting in there, I'm telling you. Manual valve body 700 R4. Full manual valve body 700. Brand new flow shifter going in it. Everything. Meats back on the road. Cause it's about to warm up. So it's go time. It's go time for everything. Then the whole fleet gonna have oil pressure. Whole fleet gonna have oil pressure and clean. Cause Wifey car about to get sprayed. Y'all see it dropped off. It's going down. I might sneak and have Mr. Jones painted. I might sneak and have Mr. Jones painted. And I already know what color. I said I'm gonna paint this car. It's a nice car. I'm gonna paint it. The body already solid. Like it ain't hurt for nothing. So I already know what color I'm gonna paint this car too. I already know. So I might make a power move. If y'all see the car pop up and gone for about 2 to 3 weeks, then y'all know what's going on. But I keep y'all in the loop on this. Keep y'all in the loop on this, man. I got to shout out to my people that's a part of this car. Showtime Transmission Rebuilds, Motion Race Works, Big T Performance Torque Converters, Here Run Speed. Everybody, man, that's a part of this car. Lease Electronics. Cause we about to do some big thing, man. I'm telling y'all this. I tell you, hey, just stay tuned. Just stay tuned in to the channel. All I can say, man, we going up. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all tomorrow.